niggas talking shit, man. Little niggas know. TSEK. Fuck a 2-side, fuck a CMG. I'm CMGK. Fuck that nigga, dog. Ain't no real nigga. We only let real niggas walk this earth, nigga. TSEK, fuck a 2-side, nigga. TSEK to the death of me. Don't send for me unless I come for you, nigga. Fuck you and your whole crew. You a bitch, nigga, but you act up. You will fuck around and get wrapped up, or get you and your bitch smacked up. To fuck her, you gotta pay a fee. You a good dad, that's someone y'all see. So how the fuck you get your son third degree? Drink a bottle, then go seizure up. But even now, I pray your ass don't die. Every line you wrote in that fucking song, it just had to be a damn lie. How you dating her, but at the same time, you was cool with my nigga Fly. Niggas better focus on their life and worry about who that motherfucking baby by. Boy, you can't rap, your girl got the clap like Drake. She fucking niggas back to back, and I'm a real nigga, so I speak the truth. You started this, so repair the loose. She got a new nigga, now I know you hate it. Only thing you rap about is being native. Fuck that nigga, man. Fuck a Samson, fuck a 2-side.